Ever felt that pang of dread knowing you might have lost all your WhatsApp conversations? Today, we're diving into how to restore your WhatsApp chats on Android, whether it's from Google Drive or a local backup file. Guaranteeing your message history stays safe and sound. First, if WhatsApp is currently installed, uninstall it. This is a crucial step to initiate the restoration process. Next, head over to the Google Play Store and reinstall WhatsApp Messenger. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. Now, open WhatsApp and agree to the terms of service. You'll be prompted to enter and verify your phone number. Make sure you use the same phone number that was used to create the backup. Grant WhatsApp the necessary permissions, including access to your contacts. This will help WhatsApp identify your account associated with the backup. WhatsApp will then search for backups linked to your Google account. If a backup is found, you will see a prompt asking if you want to restore your messages and media from Google Drive. Tap Restore. Wait patiently as WhatsApp restores your messages and media. The time it takes depends on the size of your backup. Once the restoration is complete, tap Next. You will be asked to enter your profile name. And that's it. Your chat should now be restored. If you don't have a Google Drive backup, WhatsApp will attempt to restore from a local backup on your device. Now you can breathe easy, knowing your WhatsApp memories are safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.